Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. In today's video, we're covering how to complain about damaged luggage at the airport in English. Finding out your luggage is damaged can be frustrating, but knowing the right phrases to use can help you address the issue clearly and get the assistance you need. Let's go through the essential phrases to explain the damage, ask for compensation, and understand the process. First, once you notice the damage to your luggage, head to the baggage claim office or the airline's customer service counter. Start by explaining your situation. You can say, "Hello, I just picked up my luggage and noticed that it's damaged. Could someone help me with this?" Or, "Excuse me, I need assistance with my luggage. It was damaged during the flight." These phrases are polite and let the staff know you need help with a specific issue. Next, it's important to describe the damage so the staff understands the problem. You can say, "The handle is broken," or "There's a large tear in the side of the suitcase." Being specific helps the staff assess the damage accurately and determine the best solution. To find out if the airline covers damages, you could ask, "Does the airline provide compensation for damaged luggage?" Or, "Could you explain the airline's policy on damaged baggage?" These questions help you understand if you're eligible for any form of compensation or repair services. If the airline confirms that they offer compensation or repairs, ask about the next steps. You can say, "What should I do to file a claim for the damage?" Or, "Could you guide me through the process to report this?" This will ensure you know exactly what needs to be done, such as filling out a form or providing additional documentation. Sometimes, the airline may request proof of purchase or value for the damaged item. To clarify, you can ask, "Do I need to provide any proof of the luggage's value?" Or, "Is there any documentation required for the claim?" Knowing this in advance helps you prepare any necessary documents to speed up the process. If they provide a claim reference number, write it down or keep it somewhere safe. You can say, "Thank you. Could you give me the claim reference number for this report?" Or, "I'd like to have a record of this claim. Could you confirm the reference number?" Having the claim number will make it easier to track the status of your complaint. If the airline staff says they'll contact you with updates, ask about the estimated response time. Politely say, "When should I expect to hear back about my claim?" Or, "How long does it usually take to process a damaged luggage claim?" This will give you an idea of when to follow up if you haven't heard back. Finally, after you've completed the necessary steps, thank the staff for their assistance by saying, "Thank you very much for helping me with this," or simply, "I appreciate your assistance with my luggage issue." Being polite leaves a positive impression, even in a frustrating situation. Let's review these key phrases for complaining about damaged luggage at the airport. "Hello, I just picked up my luggage and noticed that it's damaged. Could someone help me with this?" "The handle is broken," or "There's a large tear in the side of the suitcase." "Does the airline provide compensation for damaged luggage?" "What should I do to file a claim for the damage?" "Do I need to provide any proof of the luggage's value?" "Could you give me the claim reference number for this report?" "When should I expect to hear back about my claim?" "Thank you very much for helping me with this." Using these phrases will help you handle a damaged luggage complaint effectively and ensure you get the support you need. Remember, staying calm and polite will make it easier for the staff to assist you and resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more essential travel English tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.